It's morning. And Quaker loves morning.
Quaker loves morning.
Because when you start your day with
And you start your day with Quaker Oats,
it's good for your heart. It gives you energy. And it can turn an ordinary day into an extraordinary day. Quaker oatmeal is more than breakfast. It's a
You should like mentors for all day.
Let's throw on those Saturday
They were
clothes.
just talking about it. They said see like that person.
When we grab a little spare time, get out. We're lowering the cost of weekend projects. Making things happen. Less with our wallet and more with our own two hands. More saving, more doing. That's the power of Home Depot. Take on your walls. Repair premium results.
Weekday mornings at 6 and 10 Eastern.
Emergency Management Agency, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. The following interstates are declared impassable. I-43 from Billings to Montgomery, and I-94 from the Illinois border to Milwaukee. If you are stranded, do not leave your vehicle. Run your vehicle for 10 minutes per hour and back it down with window for ventilation.
Yeah.
And now, you're local on the 8th.
So I-43 from where to?
3 a.m. weather observation.
Said like I-43 from some spot to some spot. And,
I know McGuire.
and they said I-94 from Milwaukee to the Illinois border or something like that. That look of your camera. You know. That soccer game. What, 1 million gold?
13,000?
Is it made platinum? Probably. Makes your butt shine. Yeah, it doesn't move very much.
By the way, did you hear Duff's reaction to that? He was apparently up on the sink. And the next thing after that,
Oh,
he comes out here like, what's going on? What's going on? World ending?
Wake up with that on your weather today. Weekday mornings from 6 to 11 on the Weather Channel.
Phase 2 of a powerful winter storm that is
Is that Cantori?
No, it's Owl.
moving into the northeast. Chicago, it's
Roker
going
or
to
something?
be 24 hours of tropical
guess.
force winds, thunder
I didn't
snow,
know.
and blinding snow. And check out the impact as it starts to go into the northeast. New Yorkers are getting their
Suppose
way
like that.
of snow, freezing rain, and
Yeah, considering you can only stand outside in Chicago's blowing snow for 12 hours without going in a car or something.
to New England, right here, right now, on Wake Up with Al.
Is that all you built for Edgar?
No, that's not my sit. This is my sit.
Oh, who is it?
And good morning, everybody. Welcome.
Is it
It's
Al
Wednesday,
Rokerson?
February 2nd, Groundhog's Day. Welcome to this special early edition of Wake Up with Al. I'm Al Roker, live in Chicago. The Monster of the Midway has set a record for 24-hour snowfall here in Chicago. 13.6 inches of snow, and it is a snowstorm of a 2,000-mile path. It just swallowed up the country. Take a look at what this thing looks like from
2,000 mile
space.
path.
It's an amazing picture. And right now, my partner Stephanie Abrams is in Atlanta. And Stephanie, this storm, as you call it, the beast, I like to call it the monster of the Midway here in Chicago.
Yeah, they're in Chicago. Al, I wanted to hear about all the lightning that you experienced into the overnight hours. Was it pretty consistent?
Yeah, I mean, from about 10 o'clock to midnight, you could really hear the pure lightning, hear the thunder. It was pretty amazing.
Yeah, it was pretty windy as well. I know Cantori, I think, got an observation of wind gusts as high as 70 miles an hour.
I'm gonna split the
Wow,
video.
unbelievable.
Start
Of
with the
course, we've got this whole thing covered. Let's see, we have live crews everywhere.